Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's project, I have a Scrapdiva design team project from the new September 1st, 2024 release. And I am sharing with you the spider bow number 2. And this is such a cute bow for Halloween crafting, and you can see that they are really layered. This is the name of the die, the spider bow number 2, and this is what you get in the die set. You get the base, and this is a building bow die, so you get the base right here, and then you get this large piece for your bow, which layers on top of this. Once you get that cut out, then you get this piece right here, which is a little bit smaller than this bow, and you get the spider web type of almost bat wings. So that goes in between here, if that's how you like to put it, and you'll see closer in my project here. And then you get this piece to hold everything together, and then you get a little spider that has a little cross on his back, and he can decorate your bow. He can go in the center or on the bow itself. So there are, let's see, 5 pieces in this really cute bow set. I will have a link to this bow in the description box below. It's an affiliate link. When you use it, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me and my channel, and I appreciate that so very much. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Before I show you each individual bow, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So this is what the bow looks like when you get it all together. So I decided to use black in this one. So I have a black bow part that has the tails on the bottom, and then I layered the spider web, and then the 2 size bows. I used purple to wrap around the center, and I have a little purple spider. Isn't that cute? This is such an adorable bow. I will be using these on projects coming up. And this one here, I used some Halloween paper in black and orange. Most of the paper I have left is double-sided, so I tried to use coordinating. You can see I have the little black with a ghost, and I decided to use gold for the spider web insert here, and I did put a little gold spider. Isn't that cute? Then I have one here that I used in orange. Very cute. This was double-sided paper for sure on this one. That coordinated really well together. And I just love the color combinations for Halloween. Here's another one. I used an orange background with a little gold spider web. It's almost like a bat wing, but it's a spider web. I love it. Really cute. It really stands out. It really makes this bow Halloween looking. This is one I did in green. I had some striped paper that had green in it. Really cute. And then the last one. This one is black and orange with gold accents with a cute little gold spider. You can have it, you can put your spider either way, crawling down or crawling up. So that is my project today. Let me go ahead, and I wanted to measure these for you. I almost forgot to do that. So this bow is, it makes a bow that's 2 3/4 inches wide. And then this way with the spider web, it is almost 2 inches. So it makes a good size bow. And I'll be sharing projects with these on them because I love to make little boxes and different things like that for my trick-or-treaters. I usually post them on our neighborhood Facebook group so that I get kids to walk out this way to my house. So I'll be sharing that with you soon. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And till the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.